While my overall experience with the OWC Envoy Ultra left me impressed with its raw speed and quality construction, I was left feeling I could squeeze a little more out of the drive. So that left me wondering, would the drive allow for a different, faster SSD? Let's find out. We've previously reviewed the OWC Envoy Ultra and concluded it was a fantastic drive offering not only high speeds but raw consistency with no thermal throttling. So let's not cover all that again, and we'll go ahead and crack on with getting this drive open. Pretty easy thanks to the 4 screws hidden beneath the rubber anti-slip feet, one in each corner. Note that this may void warranty, so it's not recommended you do this yourself with such an expensive drive. I'll take this one for the team I guess, but with screws out of the way we can crack open the 2 halves. I really do like that rubber gasket around the perimeter of the internal cavity, providing that IP67 water and dust resistance, a really nice touch. Anyways, from here the OWC Aura Pro drive can be removed with a single screw, and we'll go ahead and insert a nice high capacity 8TB Western Digital SN850X instead, before sealing the 2 halves, and securing with the same screws we previously removed. And that's all there is to it, drive installed. As a reminder, the OWC Aura drive that comes in the Envoy Ultra from factory provided these speeds. So with that in mind, connected to a Mac computer and heading into drive utility, we note that the Western Digital drive is successfully detected, so all seems compatible, and we can head straight into a disk speed test. And that's the kind of speed I was expecting from the Thunderbolt 5 interface, clearly highlighting the fact that the OWC Aura drive was really holding the Envoy Ultra enclosure back in terms of raw performance. No matter what I used to test the drive, it consistently presented high speeds with both reading and writing, as well as that nice high 8TB capacity that OWC do not even offer with this enclosure, a super solution. And just to confirm, I went ahead and installed a Samsung 990 Pro into the Envoy Ultra 2, which provided slightly better speeds than even the Western Digital before it. It's not always about raw speed though. The OWC Aura Pro is still a fantastic SSD. It has a way higher total bytes written rating, better thermal management, as well as reduced power draw, making it better suited for an external bus powered drive. The higher endurance in particular is perfect for those doing heavy, sustained writes like large video file editing, and makes it a more suitable long-term option. If you're just after raw speed though, there are other drives available. Either way, the OWC Envoy Ultra is a fantastic external drive, especially for those who have access to the Thunderbolt 5 interface.